Hope you can hear me. Hi. We're looking at a dump truck right now with some wiring issues. I think I found a little bit of a problem. These green wires are disconnected. I can't even tell if those things are on. I gotta check the brake. I'm gonna have to move you back. Yeah. Alright, plan. Okay, so that was right. Now, what? I'm not sure why that must have rubbed off. We also gotta fix that one right there. So I'm gonna get my soldering iron out and we'll get those fixed up and I don't know, just try to make them work, I guess. Make sure to watch that for me, will you? I gotta press the brake and see if it does anything. Oh, found it. Alright, hopefully that did something. I was pressing the wrong pedal. It's fine. Jeez. In case you guys are wondering, it's 8 million degrees outside. So that's good. These will do. Basically, all I had to do with this was find the broken wire, plug broken wire back in, make sure that was issue. Now we solder it and try to clean this up again because I fixed this once and then it just broke in the spot I didn't fix the first time. So yeah. We're gonna fix it again. Let's see if this stuff. I got oil dripping on my arm. I always get the lead-based stuff. That way it smells good. Always make sure to touch the wires when they're nice and hot. That way you can burn your fingers. Yep. Pro tip for you. Okay. In case you're wondering, that wire I'm touching is still hot. But you just kind of ignore it. Oh my gosh. I needed these side cutters. There's like a little snag on this white one I just did. There. That was stopping my heat shrink from doing its job. This black wire just got destroyed, man. Yikes. Alright, well, yeah, I know why this was having a problem. Okay, well, we're gonna have to go even shorter in this wire because of this reason. Yeah, that's fine. I didn't want you to come off. Is it weird that I talk to myself this much? Can't be, right? No, I didn't think so. Good, you guys agree? Boom. Just like that. It's a lot better. Same with this. It's hot. It's hot again. I told you guys don't touch that, and you don't listen to me. There. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the heat gun, heat it up, and pretend I wasn't here. Oh, I gotta do these too. Okay, so here's the problem with these ones, right? The guy before me was something I would do if I only had wire, but yeah, they're all the same color. But I got a 50-50 shot. So we're gonna just take the risk. I have like 100 feet of extension cord right now. So, yeah, it's not a good idea, I know. But it's fine. It'll be fine for now. I just needed to get that heat shrink done. Things are ruined. Try to pick these out. Oh, I just realized that case was broken. So I'm down here in the south I'm originally from Michigan. And my biggest fear is that when I'm sitting down here and like a snake comes up and tries to kill me or something, like that's the fear. Just like the other one. Why do these things break so bad?